Did you know that in 2022, over 400,000 Americans reported receiving alimony? But how does this affect your taxes? In this video, we'll unravel the complexities of alimony in tax terms. So let's get started. But what exactly is alimony, and how does it impact your taxes? Alimony is financial support paid to an ex-spouse after a divorce. It does not include voluntary payments that are not made under a divorce or separation instrument. What is the tax treatment when alimony is paid? Generally, taxpayers were allowed to deduct alimony payments from their taxable income, reducing their overall tax liability. This deduction could be claimed whether or not the taxpayer itemized deductions on their tax return. However, for alimony agreements executed after 2018, this deduction is no longer available. Alimony payments under these newer agreements cannot be deducted from the payer's taxable income. The taxpayer must use Form 1040 to deduct alimony he or she paid. Enter the amount of alimony he or she paid on Schedule 1, Form 1040, line 18A. In the space provided on line 18B, enter the recipient's SSN. If the taxpayer paid alimony to one or more than one person, enter the SSN or ITIN of one of the recipients. Show the SSN or ITIN and amount paid to each other recipient on an attached statement. Enter the total payments on line 18A. Note that if the taxpayer does not provide his or her spouse's SSN or ITN, he or she may have to pay a $50 penalty, and the deduction may be disallowed. Imagine a scenario where Lisa and Tom divorced in 2016. As part of their divorce agreement, Tom is required to pay Lisa $2,500 per month in alimony. Until 2018, Tom was able to deduct these alimony payments from his taxable income, potentially saving him a significant amount in taxes. However, if Tom and Lisa's agreement was executed or modified after 2018 to adjust the alimony amount, then these payments would no longer be deductible for Tom. For instance, if they amended the agreement in 2019 to increase the alimony to $3,000 per month, Tom would not be able to deduct these payments from his taxable income under the new tax laws. How to report alimony received? Alimony received is reported on Schedule 1, Line 2A. Alimony includes life insurance premiums and payments towards jointly owned homes as well. So what are the payments that are not considered as alimony? Child support payments specifically designated as child support in a divorce or separation agreement are not alimony. Non-cash property settlements. Transferring property or assets as part of a divorce settlement doesn't qualify as alimony. These could include houses, cars, stocks, or other assets. Such transfers are typically part of the division of marital assets and do not have ongoing tax implications like alimony. Payments that are the spouse's part of community income. In community property states, income earned by either spouse during marriage is considered joint income. Payments made to a spouse that represent their share of this community income aren't alimony. This rule helps prevent these payments from being double counted for tax purposes. 4. Payments to keep up the payer's property. If the paying spouse makes payments for the upkeep of their own property, these are not alimony. For instance, if the payer is still responsible for a joint home where the receiving spouse lives, but the payer maintains the mortgage or repair costs, these payments are not considered alimony. 5. The use of the payer's property. Allowing an ex-spouse to use property owned by the paying spouse, like a car or a house without charge, is not alimony. This non-monetary benefit does not count as a financial support payment for tax purposes. Understanding these distinctions is vital for both parties in a divorce. It ensures that both the payer and the recipient are aware of the financial and tax implications of each type of payment. Alimony has specific tax treatments, so correctly categorizing payments can significantly affect both parties' financial situations post-divorce. Here is a gift for you. We offer a free consultation with our expert tax professionals to help you navigate these updates effectively. To book your free session and gain valuable insights tailored to your situation, simply click the link in the video description. Don't miss this opportunity for expert guidance. If you found this information helpful, please show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. Your engagement helps us reach and assist more people. Don't forget to drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you.